Stay, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I don't know, sometimes I don't even expect on doing videos, and then I gotta do a bunch of them, you know, AutoZone shit, you know? These guys are the scam artists right here, Russian dudes. They be trying to fix cars and shit. They go around, ask everybody to fix their bumpers or whatever. But anyways, so I walked out, I didn't expect it, but I ended up getting a rebate, right? Oh, a free duffel bag when you buy 5 individual quarts of Valvoline. Oh, that's lit, so I got a duffel bag now. That's funny. All right, and then I paid $30 for this, $30.47. It was on sale, right? Valvoline, $27.99. So last time I bought the STP, it was about a month and a half ago, about a month ago. Oh, there's a bag right there, Valvoline bag on the top, right? So I bought STP, which right now is only $3 cheaper. And the car is like gasping for air. My drive is not as good as it was 2 weeks ago or so. So I already know, more or less, I'm just gonna do an oil change. I remember I said I wanted to clean it from last month. I got the right oil filter again, so 2 months in, 2 changes in a row, and we're gonna go from there. And then it's funny. Then I hit my 5th purchase from AutoZone, so I also get $20 on the next order. So remember last time I only spent like $8 or something like that. Look, you know, he's trying to go and get him. He came out the car next to me. He's trying to go get him. Talking about fixing cars. Look. If he be gamming people every day. Look at the other guy right here. He gonna come over and try to assist. Look. It's a scam. It's a scam. Scam. Look, he about to get him and I'm about to violate them. Look. They got him though. Yo, he's G'ing him right now. This guy's really falling for it. But you know what's funny? So I got G'd the first time he did it to me. He did it to me in the same parking lot years ago. I don't even know if it's the same guys. Let's see. I want to see if they get him. Send out crutches and all. I don't know. I feel like violent. I feel like it's going like, yo, these guys is bums. Don't believe them. But I wouldn't believe them, y'all. I'm telling you ahead of time. Even if I don't go, I don't know. But these are Russians. I'm going to help my Spanish people out. They friend. Look. I got to come back. Look. Watch. Let's see this shit. Look at these guys. They got to sell their hype. Charge like $100 to do some bullshit. Look. And they got all the shit in their trunks and they're just gonna get busy. Scam. And I mean, you gotta look at his car. I'm gonna show you his car. He's talking about fixing your car. Look. And they over there, they're thinking that he good. Whatever though. That was just off track of what we was actually doing. But I got my free thing. Look, they got hammers and shit. Look. Look. I'm in the perfect spot. Look, they calling him. Come over here. Yo, nigga's a chair. I'm about to go help him, son. That's hilarious. So they put it back in, and then you gotta go back and talk to them. Try to convince them again for some more bread. Look, I'm gonna tell the next person. Yeah, this is hilarious. Let's watch. See what it says. Yo, I hope y'all don't believe them. I hope y'all don't believe them. Whatever they telling you is straight bullshit. Them niggas are scam artists. They come here every day.
They scamming?
Yeah, they scamming, bro. They're gonna fuck with it. They're gonna make it look good, and they're gonna try to charge you saying they did work.
They saying they got $100 to fix.
Yeah, so they're gonna do some shit that's not gonna look good, and they're gonna be like, hey, you owe me 100. I'm gonna call the cops. They scam. Scammers. Yeah. Don't do that shit. I was so y'all talking. I'm like, nah, fuck out of here. I ain't letting them get him. They scam. Yo, why y'all trying to scam everybody, man? Go get a real job. Fucking cornball with the kid here too. That's crazy. It's crazy. Look, now I don't want to say nothing. Scam artists. Scam artists. Tight. My boys is dipping. Yo, that's hilarious. Niggas tight. Oh my God. So I hate people, bro. They do shit like this, son. They do shit like this. It's crazy. I'm gonna show you something right now too. Once I get my shit on. Cause now he mad at everybody. They just sit there in the parking lot, and you gotta see like how good can he do your shit if his shit is like that. So he ain't gonna do your shit no better than what his shit look like. And his shit look like shit. He can't fix your shit. If he can't fix his own shit, he can't fix your joint. So he said that. Oh man. Yeah. Now you wanna leave. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I should get the fat boy over there. That's what I should really get right now. Where that fat boy at? I should really fuck with him. Whatever. Look at his trunk. Paint, bunch of bullshit. Can't do nothing with. Cause he sucks. And look, he disappeared though. Watch him disappear. Red shirt gone now. Red shirt gone now. Gotta be careful for shit like that, y'all. Save my boys real quick. You ain't get still like that. It's like this. Just doing some fuckboy shit. These are the tow guys too. You gonna put your shit in, and then they gonna try to tow your joint. You faggots. The guys are gone, son. Oh man. Whatever. Save somebody from getting scammed. Real quick, I'm parked. I'm about to start. So I switched to Valvoline. IC5W30 is the original one, and the S2 filter. So now again, remember, STP is not the best company as far as filters, but they are free when you go to AutoZone and buy any other oil. So why not, right? Later on, like I said, if I noticed that the filters was making it go bad so quick, then I'll change the filter to a better filter, or the original one from Ford. I'll just buy it ahead of time. But this is what I'm changing to. So I went from STP, which is the regular. I'll show you the most conventional STP, the most conventional fluid you could get in this AutoZone brand, technically, right? And then came with the oil filter, the air filter, and the oil last month, or a month and a half. Now I'm at this one right here, which would be the best of the best. I don't really like, Quaker steak is horrible for sure. And Castle GTX I was telling you about will probably be my last resort if this doesn't work out for me perfectly. They don't have high mileage, which is the red one, which is what I was using on the Impala. They don't have that one for this particular number 5W30. So we're going with the conventional, but I just wanted to show you that. And then put the truck on the end of the block in between the entrance, so I could have the space to work underneath, do the quick oil change. Oil change is the easiest part. I'm also changing the tire rod on this side, so it should be fun. I know a lot of you guys see the videos like, oh, that's Williamsburg. That's the Williamsburg projects, man. Williamsburg houses in Brooklyn, New York, Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I do all my shit right here, Block 4, I'm on Block 4 right now. On Legendary Basketball Court. A lot of people done played over there. So you know, I'm here. A cuddle pin, something like that. How many minutes? 6 fucking minutes. Yeah. Red Bull and some wrenches. Gotta take this other tire rod out. And pretty much 1, 2, 3 after that. This took me a little while to get these wrenches, but that's the most important, most expensive part of your thing. I don't know why this guy parked so close. Idiot. Stupid guys over there. Just to make a delivery. Talking about the stupidest thing. Right? Why would you? I don't get this. Who does this? So I'm pretty sure he got out another door. There's no way he got out here. But if he did, what a retard. A retard. Stupid bitch over there. Asking for money, walking around asking for bread. But anyways, this shit stripped right here. I had to get a wrench and a 22 7/8, and it finally came out. Now, it's out. Remove this completely. And then I leveled out the new one to the right size that I wanted. And I tighten these clamps up together to make sure that it's not loose after that. It's a little complicated doing one hand, so I'm gonna cut this in a second. Alright, so this is the old tire rod. Nothing crazy, just these are originals. Now we're gonna try to take out So, showing you this real quick, transmission fluid. I'm gonna place it on top of this, acting like WD-40. My grandfather told me that, right? And the old tire rod, the new one, right? Same exact one. It comes with the pieces, and you can throw grease on the top of it. Right? Carter pin, so we're in places right now. Alright. Axis WD-40, and then we're gonna put the screws back on so it's nice and smooth. And so I tightened this at this point, right? It's the straightest, and I remember it, right? And then now I'm just gonna tighten at the bottom, close that gap, and so what I have to do is I just gotta ratchet off and just do this manually. The whole point is to bring this down. You gotta know about this though. Grease gun. So tire rods, they come with no grease in it, and you gotta just pump the grease around the cylinder so that it doesn't have any issues. You know, move it left and right and shit like that. So there you go, I'm gonna dump it in. An extensive job right now. I'm just taking my time. That's pretty much the point. At this point, everything's good though. 2 brand new pieces in there. What up, bro? I remember, man. Valvoline is the new one I'm using right now. A little greasy, got a lot of shit going on over here. That's the old oil, black as hell. So that's what we're not looking for. We want it to be at least some sort of yellow or whatever the case may be. But I just did extensive work, y'all. I did an oil change. I changed some tire rods. I changed the stabilizer ball links. You see them in the garbage. I don't know, I should never rolled it out there. But the stabilizer ball link in there. Tire rod fell in here. You know. But all that is done. This wheel looks a little bit slightly to the left, so I'm gonna turn it one more time so it can be straight. And then that's over though, man. Job done. You know, the car's even sitting higher, it looks higher. So you know, Eddie right here and shit helped me out, but definitely something I look forward to. A great day to do it too, so just love this garbage. Definitely spend my whole day on this truck. Good 3 hours, 4 hours, I'd say, right now at this point. But major success. Everything is done. I had no issues as far as screws breaking or anything like that. Me actually getting hurt, I didn't get hurt. So, the day is over. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.